Seventh student. Now let us continue chapter number second of computer, and the next topic is changing the mouse setting. It is part 4 of chapter number 2. It is possible to customize the mouse setting in several ways. We can change the mouse setting in many ways. We can change the appearance of mouse pointer, alter the speed, function of the mouse button, vary the scrolling speed of the mouse wheel. What we can do, we can change the mouse pointer, we can change its speed, we can change the mouse function of mouse button, and also we can also change the scrolling speed of mouse wheel. Open the mouse option, the control panel. How we are going to do it, just check it out. First of all, open the mouse point option in the control panel and move mouse property dialog box will appear. When you will select the mouse option in control panel, a mouse property dialog box will appear. Click on the button tab. Here you can change the setting of right and left button on the mouse. When you will open the button tab, you can just change the setting. You can change the setting of your left and right button of the mouse. In the button configuration section, select the checkbox in order to switch right and left button of the mouse. When you are in the button configuration, this sort of screen will come. When you will select the control panel, it will be, you have to select the mouse. Then finally this sort of screen will come in front of you, mouse property, and you have to select the checkbox in order to switch right and left button of the mouse. You can change the double click speed of the mouse by dragging the slider to the left for making it slow and right for increasing. See, in speed option is there. You can also increase the speed of mouse pointer by speed slow and fast. If you will move it to the left, it will be slow. If you will move to the right, it will be faster. Slider is there. You can even test the double click speed by clicking on the folder icon given on the right. You can customize the speed as per your convenience. You can customize the speed as per your convenience. You can click on pointer to change the appearance of the mouse pointer. Just you can click also on the mouse appearance to change the appearance of the mouse pointer. You can change the size, speed, and the color of the mouse pointer. Here with this option, you can change the speed, color, size, and size of the mouse pointer. You can choose any pointer that you like from the option. There are so many options are available, and out of those options you can select any one. Select the browse tab and double click on the file name and the pointer chosen. Click the preview and apply. Click on apply button, then OK. The change will be saved. Okay. Select the browse tab, double click on the file name of the pointer chosen. Click the preview and click on apply button and click OK. The change will be saved. Now, in case you wish to have a default mouse pointer, use the default tab to return the previous one. Now if you have made the change but you don't want to retain the change, so you want to the default pointer. Default pointer means as it was previously. So you can select default tab. If you wish to adjust the speed of a mouse pointer, open the pointer option. Now if you want to change the speed of the mouse pointer, you can also alter the speed using the pointer option. Drag the slider left and right to vary the speed. Slider you can move left and right to change the speed. In the motion section, click on apply and click OK. In this way you are going to change the mouse setting. Now, why do we double click on the mouse? Next question is, why do we make double click to select anything? The window also have the option to replace the double click with single click. Window is also having the option that we can replace double click with single click. You can follow the given step and stop using a double click every time you have to open something. You can follow the steps and you can change the setting. Open start tab and click on the control panel. Just open the control panel. Go to folder option. When you will just go to the folder option, and as the folder dialog box appear. Now when the folder dialog box will appear, it will be like this. Activate the single click to open an item. Just activate single click to open the item. Now from the now when you have changed, see, single click to open the item. If you will select this option, then what will happen? Now from the single click sub option, prefer to activate the underline icon title when I point at them. One option is there, underline icon titles when I point at them. Click on apply and OK. Now what you can do, now you can conveniently use the single click. Any item. Now point upon will be selected and a single click will be open. Now you can select your anything with a single click only instead of double click. Now you have changed the setting to make select the folder by clicking a single click. Now, next is putting the computer in a sleep mode. Next topic is how we are going to put our computer in sleep mode. What is sleeping mode? Sleeping mode is a power saving method. It is a power saving method In this case, computer does not turn off completely and only the monitor hard disk are turned off. In sleeping mode, what happen? The computer does not turn off completely, only the monitor and hard disk are turned off. Our work and setting are placed in the RAM, which only uses a small amount of power. All the work which we are doing, that is just placed in the RAM, which uses a small portion of power. This mode also allows the computer to quickly resume full power operation without have to boot it again. Now, in sleep mode, after sleep mode, what we are having the option, the computer will resume to full-fledged operation without to boot again, without booting it again. Now, what are the steps that we have to follow? Click open start button and click on control panel. Open power option category. You have to select the power option category. You can see like this. Click the choose the power saver radio button. The sleep mode will now become active. Now what will happen? The sleep mode will become active. You can make further change by clicking on the change plan setting and select the required setting user. There is option change plan setting. You can select that, and you can also get the required setting as you wish.